Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to connect your DELL Pro 14 to the TV. So, in order to connect your laptop to a TV, you're gonna have to prepare an HDMI cable like this one, and insert it into the HDMI port on the left edge of your laptop. Here we have it, and the other one goes into the HDMI port of your TV. After that, you're gonna have to switch to the HDMI input on your TV, so press the search button on your remote control and select the HDMI port you used to connect your laptop to in order to switch to the the laptop extension mode on your TV. Now, to change the display settings, you have to go to the Start menu, open Settings, then go to System, Display, and here you'll be able to rearrange your laptop and your TV, like two different monitors. You can also change things like scale, display resolution, display orientation, and other projection settings for your TV, so you can decide whether you want your TV to be an external display, whether you want your TV to be an extension of your display as an external display, whether you want to mirror your display to your TV, or whether maybe you want your TV to be the main display of your laptop. You can also access all of these settings quickly by short pressing Windows and P combination of keys and changing the projection type. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.